My name is Claudia Arsugitan. I'm here to talk to you about a microscope. Microscope. A microscope is a laboratory instrument used to examine objects that are too small to be seen by naked eye. Microscopy is the science of investigating small objects and structures using a microscope. Microscope means being invisible to the eye unless aided by a microscope. Anton van Leeuwenhoek was a Dutch microscopist who was the first to observe bacteria and protozoa. His research on lower animals refuted the doctrine of spontaneous generation, and his observation helped lay the foundation for the science of bacteriology and protozoology. And Robert Hooke discovered microscopic subunits called cells. Compute for the total magnification. Multiply the magnification of the eyepiece by the magnification of the object lens to produce total magnification. For example, a 10 times ocular lens and 40 times objective lens will produce a total magnification of 400 times. What is the magnification and its formula? The formula of magnification represents the ratio of the height of the image to the ratio of the height of the objective.
So now, let's define the parts of microscope. So let me start in ocular or eyepiece, which is the lens is closest to our eyes and it magnifies an image. And usually, it has a magnification of 5 times, 10 times, and 12.5 times. Next is body tube, the one that holds ocular in place. Next is nosepiece, the one that holds objective with different lenses. And next, objective. Each of lens set attached in nosepiece is called objective lenses. And we have a different kind of objective lenses. First is 40 times as a scanning objective, 10 times as a low power objective, 40 times as a high power objective, and 100 times as a high point objective. Next is a stage, where the microscope slide rests. Next is the stage clip, the one that holds a slide. And next is mechanical stage, a stage with adjustable brackets.
Hi guys, my reporting today it's all about the part of the microscope. Mechanical stage. The mechanical stage in a microscope is a mechanism that's been mounted on the stage to hold the microscope slide in order to hold it steady and to reposition it when needed. And the lamp or the mirror, it is used to reflect light from an external light source up toward the bottom of the stage. And the condenser serves to gather waveforms from the microscope light source and concentrate them into a cone of light that illuminates the specimen with uniform intensity over the entire view field. And the diaphragm controls how much light enters the substance condenser and consequently the rest of the microscope. And the disc is used to vary the intensity and size of the cone of light that is projected upward into the slide. The arm is support the body tube and the adjustment knob located on the arm of the microscope moves the stage up and down to bring the specimen into focus. And the base, it acts as microscope support, and it also carries microscopic illuminators. And the pivot is the parts of the microscope that allow you to tip the ocular towards and away from you. Coarse focus, it is moves the stage up and down, quickly used to find a specimen when using the low power objective. And the last one is fine focus. It is used to make small focus adjustments, especially when using the high power objective.
Guidelines in using the microscope. Always carry with two hands, one under the base and other grasping the arm. Carry it in upright position. Stakes and objectives are at their farthest distance apart and lowest. Start the observation at lower power. Never adjust course focus when using high power object. Never move the objectives and stakes towards each other while looking through the ocular. To avoid eye strain, keep both eyes open when viewing the specimen or cover one eye with your hand. Guidelines in recording observation: label the name of the specimen, type of section, label with total magnification. Total magnification multiply the ocular power with the objective use. Example, ocular 10 times and objective 4 times. To multiply is total magnification is 40 times. Thank you for listening.